Hi guys, hope you're doing well. My name is Siddharth. Today we are going to record kazoo and make it sound like a professional musical instrument with some basic editing. The choice of DAW I have here is Logic Pro 10, but you can use any DAW of your choice and apply those same things because this thing is available everywhere. Okay, so here's Logic Pro 10. We'll select an empty project, keep everything else as default. We'll select audio, and we're not going to make a track because I just want to demonstrate how you can record kazoo and edit it. So we'll take any random sample and drag it on. Okay, this is simple enough. So we'll drag it in. Cool. And loop it. We loop it at the top corner and drag it. Okay, we'll put this in cycle. The yellow thing determines that it's cycle, and cycle means it will keep looping on. Now we are going to select a new track by clicking right, new audio track, and we'll record our kazoo. Now this is not a cover. I don't want any copyright strikes or copyright claims in it. So we'll make our own simple tune and let's see what we can make. This should be good. Sounds good to me. The first thing what we'll do here is find a frequency which hurts your ears and then reduce them. So we'll make a bell curve here and turn it all the way up, and then find the frequency which hurts the most and then dip it down. We'll solo the track here so that we can focus on the sound of kazoo. Let's find out the bad frequency now. That was bullseye. The first randomly placed bell curve was the most irritating one. So after dipping it down, this is how it sounds. A tiny bit of improvement there. Now we'll find another frequency which hurts our ears the most. Finding the bad frequency again. That was bad. Okay, another frequency in this range. This frequency sounds very plasticky, so we'll dip this down as well, little bit. And the last thing we'll do is remove the low end because we don't need that much. A little bit, not much. Okay, that's not the last thing, by the way. Now we'll find the frequency which we like. Let's find those frequencies. This frequency gives the kazoo a little bit of a roundness. Let's see how it sounds. Okay, here's before and here's after. The next thing we'll do is add compression into it. So what I'll do is just increase the threshold in the middle and the ratio a little bit towards 2.9. This should do. What compression does is it squeezes your audio so that the low ends are the volume of the low ends are increased and the high ends are squeezed so that it sounds in the same volume. This is before and this is after. What we'll do is we'll add a reverb in it. Now one of the reverb I love the most, Valhalla, Supermassive, and it's free and it's amazing. So the effect is too much, and that's why we will decrease the intensity of it. It should be fine. Now we'll tune the vocals. I know it sounds already in tuned, but a little bit of furnishing is necessary. And what we'll do is manual tuning in this, not auto tune. Maybe we'll do auto tune later as well, but first manual tuning. So double click into this and then click on this loopy thing. It's called flex. Once we click on it, go to flex pitch and then close it because Logic acts funny. Then we select all, right click, set to perfect pitch. So it sets itself automatically into the perfect pitch. This is how manual tuning works. You select any grid and you can place anywhere you want. And that's how you tune it. The shortcut of right clicking and set to perfect pitch works very well. Okay, so also we'll increase the vibrato a little bit so that it sounds a little bit flat like a dead person, but 50%. Okay, that's how a tuned vocal sounds like. A little bit of minor tuning we have done in this. But if you want to make it sound more robotic, this is how you do it. You take the vibrato all the way to the 0. Now it's flat as a dead man's pulse. But if you want to make it even more robotic or tuned, you go to pitch and go to pitch correction, mono, select major, scale, and then D. Not D, but whichever your project scale is. And then this blue thing, turn all the way down. Now it will sound even more robotic, if that's the sound you like. Sounds very T-Painish, but if that's the sound you're looking for. Okay, so the tuning, everything is done. Now let's hear it out all together with guitar. How does it sound? But if you want to make it a little bit better, then I would suggest you to lower down the intensity of this, because that's too much of auto-tune. Sounds much better. So this was a teeny tiny introduction to how you can record and edit your sound. It works with anything you record, vocals, kazoo, or any instrument. Works the same way. If you want to know anything else, you can just type it in the comment and I will answer them. Hope you guys found value in this, and see you guys in the next video. Peace. Get your kazoo now from the link in the description.